As we step into the fascinating world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology, the intersection of politics, finance, and technology is presenting intriguing opportunities for investors. A confluence of events appears to be on the horizon, promising a season of significant developments in the crypto space. Van Eck, CEO of Van Eck Associates, sheds light on these promising prospects, with politically motivated interest rate cuts coinciding with the Bitcoin halving event and the much-anticipated launch of spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, ETFs. A convergence of factors. Van Eck's insights revolve around the interplay of politics, economics, and cryptocurrency. He notes that the Federal Reserve's tightening cycle is nearing its conclusion. With this in mind, politically driven interest rate cuts could become a reality, providing a timely stimulus to the economy. For those who view the upcoming election with a degree of skepticism, these interest rate cuts may be expected to take at least 6 months to yield tangible effects. This unique blend of political and economic factors sets the stage for an exciting spring season for cryptocurrency enthusiasts. Spot Bitcoin ETFs, an anticipated milestone. One of the most eagerly anticipated developments in the crypto world is the potential approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. While Van Eck does not claim clairvoyance when it comes to predicting approval timelines, he highlights a notable shift in the SEC's approach. Recent approval of Ether futures ETFs by the SEC serves as a potential model for future spot Bitcoin ETF applications. What sets this apart is the SEC's commitment to ensuring that all approved ETFs enter the market simultaneously, marking an unprecedented moment in the ETF landscape. The symbolism and practicality of spot Bitcoin ETFs. Van Eck emphasizes the symbolic significance of spot Bitcoin ETF approvals. This development is watched with bated breath by stakeholders worldwide, reflecting its global importance. Beyond symbolism, he underscores the practical advantages offered by spot ETF products. These products boast tight spreads and high reliability in trading. Crucially, they provide American investors with a level of tax efficiency that surpasses that of futures-based products. Bitcoin's evolution as a store of value. Bitcoin has solidified its position as an alternative to traditional stores of value, standing shoulder to shoulder with precious metals like platinum and silver. Van Eck points out the favorable conditions for Bitcoin, including changing Federal Reserve policies, the impending Bitcoin halving event, market uncertainties, and recent liquidations. A recent narrative surrounding the FTX bankruptcy contributes to Bitcoin's appeal, as the event is expected to result in portfolio liquidation, potentially leading to a scarcity of assets available for sale. The enigma of market behavior. Despite historical data indicating that the Bitcoin halving often marks the start of a bull market, Van Eck finds it perplexing that market participants do not always anticipate this trend. This highlights the unpredictable nature of crowd behavior in financial markets. Although historical trends are well documented, market sentiment can sometimes defy logical expectations. Market observations and insights. In the ever-evolving landscape of cryptocurrency and finance, the interplay of these factors presents a dynamic environment. Market observers and analysts have noted several key trends and observations that shed light on the current state of the crypto market and its potential trajectory in the upcoming season. Bitcoin's maturation. Bitcoin has come a long way since its inception. It has evolved from a purely speculative asset to a digital store of value that is increasingly seen as an alternative to traditional assets like gold. This maturation process has attracted institutional and retail investors alike, contributing to Bitcoin's current status. Increased institutional participation. Institutional interest in cryptocurrencies has been growing steadily. Established financial institutions, including investment banks and asset management firms, are entering the crypto space. This influx of institutional capital and expertise is expected to bring more stability and legitimacy to the market. Regulatory developments. The regulatory environment for cryptocurrencies is evolving rapidly. Governments and regulatory bodies are working to establish clear guidelines for the use and trading of digital assets. While regulation can create compliance challenges, it also offers a level of legitimacy and security that attracts a broader range of investors. Market maturity. The cryptocurrency market has matured in terms of infrastructure, liquidity, and trading options. Major exchanges now offer a wide array of trading pairs and derivative products. This increased maturity is making it easier for traders and investors to navigate the market and implement diverse strategies. DeFi and NFT innovation. Decentralized finance, DeFi, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs, have been at the forefront of blockchain innovation. These developments are expanding the utility and use cases of blockchain technology beyond simple currency transactions. DeFi platforms offer decentralized lending, borrowing, and trading, while NFTs are changing the way we think about ownership and digital assets. Global adoption. Cryptocurrencies are becoming increasingly accessible and accepted on a global scale. This is evident in the growing number of merchants and businesses that accept cryptocurrencies as payment. Additionally, some countries are exploring the use of digital currencies issued by central banks, indicating a potential shift in the global financial landscape. The crypto spring unveiled. As we delve deeper into the nuances of the cryptocurrency market, it becomes evident that we are on the cusp of a transformative season. The convergence of political events, Bitcoin's halving, and the potential approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs paints a compelling picture for investors and enthusiasts alike. Conclusion: the season of promise. In conclusion, the spring season in the world of cryptocurrency is shaping up to be a season of promise and potential. The alignment of political moves, the Bitcoin halving, and the prospects of spot Bitcoin ETFs creates an environment of excitement and opportunity. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a curious observer, this season is one to watch closely. The evolving landscape of cryptocurrency offers a dynamic blend of innovation, risk, and reward. Stay informed, stay cautious, and be ready to seize the opportunities that this crypto spring may bring.